Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into Google and opening Notebooklm. Do that now so you keep momentum. Once signed in, upload one focused document or a tight set of files. This reduces noise and improves responses. Make sure you set a clear objective: summarize, extract facts, or draft an outline. This purpose guides prompts and context, so you don't iterate blindly. While uploading, label the file and pick a language. These small choices steer accuracy and save time in later steps. Now you craft prompts that tell Notebooklm exactly what to do and why. Start with a role and output format. Say, act as a product writer, produce a 300-word feature list. Once done, paste a small context snippet or example to set tone and constraints. Then run the query and evaluate. If results drift, refine with targeted follow-ups that constrain style, length, or facts. Make sure to chain corrections, ask for revisions, then specify what to keep and what to remove for controlled improvement. Finish by validating Notebooklm's output against your source content. Ask it to cite lines or pages so you can confirm accuracy. Once satisfied, export or copy the final text into your workflow and save version copies. If something goes wrong, like hallucinations or outdated facts, stop and simplify the prompt, then re-upload the crucial passages and ask for line-by-line verification. Also, try reducing document scope. Smaller, clearer context often produces reliably correct answers much faster.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.